me can you ene da hono ne wakofa aba me can pe say Kevin Tiller Obaba will reply Kenny Japan because some now no book in Japan be can fa no afi no so wati we try to reply ono book in Japan be ka say ne papa yare ni papa di da be bi team say okoko toilet ne ade sa na ono book in Japan be kan you Kevin Tiller so Obaba yi no ho ano yen hwe asem Kevin Tiller kan na wo de yenti asem kakra bia ono book in Japan kan ya ansa na ekutwinam na ba yenti asem buwa T Asimbia welcome.
Oh, Mr. Kenyebua, Commissioner CIDD. In fact, yesterday he called me.
Yeah.
Now he was worried. He said, Kevin Tiller. Say me, he's in bed with me, no mom information.
Unbelievable.
Na me na meyema tiwa na yede Kenyebua ekoshe ho.
Believe in this.
In a way, I said nobody should take that idiot. He behaves like a slave. Kevin Tiller. What's yasa? Papa ne yara woni ne no. A fool.
You can refrain from.
No, but you know what you think that's supposed to sound so real. Where them
Ayeka asem we na dey asem ne bae. Utim se na the host Justice Kwakua na person stop but I say no one tia say that yesu utimi kawi sa ansem no kan no odi di na tem di Kevin Tiller tem Kevin Tiller so kote o say no any ono bo Kenya Japan o so papa no hwan who is your father yinti asem ono so be kan na ye hwe de ekoso ha isi Kevin Tiller so be kasa na ya hwe de Kevin Tiller so kan yinti asem Kevin Tiller be kan
the ID docket they could set it down docket no on be catch Ghana for say you were not stated gentlemen Andrew Abiti secretary your property now net 2 talking about a whole lot of things. In fact, the statement already 99% was directed at my dad. Maybe in Japan, Papa, there's one thing my father tells me, Kevin, never insult somebody you don't know unless you have facts. I've never met Kennedy Japan's father. I've never met his mother. I don't have anything against them. I will never sit here, whether they are alive or dead, to speak about them, insult them. Never. But Kennedy Japan, I need to respond to Kennedy Japan because he acts like an animal.
Yes, or person say on when you be atem and can't seem be without fact. International someone will be can't for no Kennedy Japan or fact. Let's say no Kennedy Japan, same now okay nina. Let's say bogus or no more be can't fact. You hear the fact or day by say what started say on no Kennedy Japan ya one year the other. He was trained. Say no, you see what me do be at him, and I would did penny at him. But honorable Kennedy Japan there, or the Bemano. I feel you have some more can to us.
Simple. I told Kennedy Japan, he went out for Kenya Bois, the new CID boss, called Kenya Bois to come out and tell Ghanaians to say CID docket they could set it down docket no. On the country Ghana for say you were not stated in there. The original document I have say and you want to JB Dankwa. I've asked you. I also asked you say let them come out and say and you want to Ahmed Swali. You see me you see what I'm saying I don't go over but I don't know your mom. I don't have time for that. And I'm a catcher will say Kenya boy you are in bed with Kenya Boy and Kenya Boy is giving you information because when I Kenya Boy promise no kumase.
Not just the fact about what I say honorable Kennedy Japan only kun GB down because sexy don about be making allegations we say honorable Kennedy Japan the ball pa ema yikun GB down kwa. It is no ohia sa answers to that. Enye atemlidie of ne papa ne maame ne busua ne personality we eye deal bi e wo so a opeso o kire say who killed JB Dankwa and who was a victim and hwan ene ye ya yiku Ahmed Swali eno no so peti wo de yam nko anto so ne hwe de ono so kan
boys no e court now and sake court with policemen there. You told Kenya Boa to make that case disappear and that you make sure she gets the CID job, and then you make sure that Tiwa will lose a job. That's why consistently you are attacking Tiwa, and it worked, and this guy is there. It is a fact. When was the last time anybody heard Kenya Japan attack the CID boss? And I said, oh, GP, I'm going to CID boss. When you went to the IGP's office, he sacked you. And then when you were entering CID's boss, everybody saw you. When you have men at the police station, you need to have men there. We all have eyes. Ken Yeboah is always in your house. And you see, you contradicted yourself a lot. Let me straighten you, Ken Yeboah. I don't know Ken Yeboah, but I am a Jimmy number one. I'm a friend. Stupidity. We didn't call to Bianca with Jim. Ghana, I'll be Jimmy Muzao. And I'm Ghana, I'll be a slave. Jimmy Star, now the Tiana, that could do Ghana. See, Canada, Japan. I'm can't be in trouble. Jimmy, you know, I'm straight to Kakra. And you admitted 100% say, when you Ken Yeboah, and I only Ken Yeboah need this ambassador. Yes.
Ines and Mehena team did in a Yako Chirika, young person or Halini Nkomo. Which means a person say, even so honorable Ken Japan, Chatikit Gram and so Magana, Untimina she. Yes, or no bet me up Ghana at any time. But honorable Ken Japan approve some near Bebua. A say unimcrophobia or mere involved JB Dankwane allegations be a cafanon. They say, on one cassette in one baba betum. Intino be San Semna Bambium. Hey, Kevin Tiller. You say,
me, who I dress up for a bed, Oko wrong so on to Bema. I dress up for an Opamosa Booby. You want to come and insult my dad? My dad has worked hard to get where he is. He's a paramount chief, for crying out loud. Paramount chief. He started work and go to Ashanti with some donor dams. What can I Tampa pay AG? What can I Japan now platform or Bronx? What's your Bema? On thing, what bought just set your old tick trunks. On tan. Okay, anyhow, and I'm was that the buffet is out. Diabetes in one eye. If you pass 2020, I'll be shocked. But see, I set a trap for you, and it's a bait, and you are falling into me. See, what about me? Show my wife's picture and show my picture. Hey, Kevin.
Nature say all this was Kevin Tiller setting a trap and pass over to because kind. Mr. Maybe kind say, eh, damn. Obaba reply on our book in Japan because what can say on our book in Japan, Bunny Dean cried the statement, Kitweb, and I don't like Casacra and I can say Kevin Tiller over fire. And it down, seven kind.
Or Pablo for 2 years, or Jabotonia, maybe. Me see, oh, yeah, Bema. Show my picture and show my wife's picture on that your dirty TV. Like I said, Kevin Taylor, me show the picture. And when I go, who's a maybe a phone, but the other man, because the FBI will handle it. I don't have to spend more than 5 minutes on you. FBI will handle it. Jimmy, I do a Safoko worry, or Pamosa punching, and I go to a which if you say, oh, yes, you cry, also saw baby, stupid fool like you. Such a dirty man. And it hurts me, say, oh, you didn't know what to want to be doing. Why was so punching? Say, me bad boy, no, Obano, Uncle Bobrank would do this punching. He should go out there and hustle like a man. Such a foolish fool. Not any if you do. Why about the tan. Now, Beman would tan, Utise Adre. Want to insult my dad? In Papa General, we any pa. A question of Pientra, Nana me Yama for Su for say, a pro Bialma to Abaman. Wait, what is he doing for Ghanaians? Such a stupid fool. On what time, what it? Kennedy, Mr. On what time? Now, I will make sure I have an expose on you. How you dupe the US government. Mr. Bidwama FBI. Whoa, maybe you will expose my mom for the kind of person who are a criminal.
Let's say, I can't. Honorable Kennedy Japan expose a software and then politics. Ono also she and master. Ono sube exposition. I can't. I grow night day. Si say me can you. Me say a software ne expose you. But politicians no. Omu kumkrofobi osumase a wu ni muntra. Ene da wono. Exposition I started no. Aika. Se police etimi achi police fo ni bi etimi achi asofofo ni bi. Se ne ma omo ye ne nye de a ene we susu no. Eye bi ahwehwemu. Eye se nchi bi so bam. Ye hwe de ye koy.
Unfin abua de ko green card. Me se wo me hye wo sa bode. Me hye wo sa bode. O tantan. Me was ka. Kwasha, makoji pay. Sundowns na share on $5,000 watch, $4,000 watch. Jimmy such a foolish fool. You want to insult me? See, if you want to deal with me as a man, mention my name, show my picture, and talk to me as a man. My dad has got nothing to do with it. He has lived his life. He's a respectable man, and he leads a village. Says, "Can you cry? Ni papuno. Who want a boo? Who see? I just want to show Bema now. And yeah, I would have Bema last one, mammy. Send a bear. Walk or oh, but this is what I said.
Oh, Nessa, some of us just say, "Oh no, book in Japan, my baby, I should Bema." And no man is over exposed, you know. Wonderful. There's a one book in Japan, so over the feelings, Nina was at an baby attrition. Allegation we had. On our book in Japan, teams or tear by hitting a bam or background out information we call about 10 day because you know, man and quan, I didn't see it. A didn't me pee. I said more.
Kennedy Japan speaks a lot, but he has never spoken about his dad before. Kennedy Japan. So I'm going to cut this piece and send to him. Kennedy Japan. My dad is Nana Aidan Ando, or Kakabe Ando, the paramount chief of Abra Asib Kwamankesi. Kennedy Japan, who is your father? Kennedy, who is your father? Uni papa, uni mo papa. What can send me we are saying at I order about you yesterday, I will teach a box iron, 1962. I may say, who is your father? 30 minutes, never better na TV, so ne can't papa wasem. Emma Ghana phone say the kind of good manner or who. Maybe I'm not here to insult your dad. I can't do that. Your mother, I don't know her. But the question people want to know is, oh papa ne wine. Kennedy, you say oh papa on the wine. Maybe I bomb papa di achro. Or yo, or yo, to me bomb papa ding. He is a paramount chief and I respect him a lot. But Kennedy, who is your dad? Oh papa and wine. Well,
let's just say honorable Kennedy Japan any papa or see who is your dad. Me matis honorable Kennedy Japan what abone ma medin pa or the name ma medin ya asem na ne papa asem de yenti ne no kre se oye bastard oni papa eye no kre allegations ye de tunu sui etisa ana entisa Kevin Taylor de ono say ne papa waboni din obetimi asa aboni din nenso honorable Kennedy Japan who is your father
say osono why was say eku me say o man no catch them say omunana but now TV ni so ne bo omunana history chiro it's Kennedy Japan. The question everyone is asking, who is your dad?
Ayeka honorable Kennedy Japan, who is your dad? Let's say the question is say honorable Kennedy Japan o papa way eye no kre se woni papa eye no kre se o papa bia no eye no kre se won kan papa asem da. And the question na everybody say, who is your dad? They say honorable Kennedy Japan Kevin Taylor allegations or they told so say o papa oh way honorable Kennedy Japan we dey that when mu why expose you asofo for why expose nkofo bebre and now west position you drew you say who is your dad o papa on why and that boy is here yeah so honorable Kennedy Japan obaba be ya no ana o me ya no a who is honorable Kennedy Japan's dad ni papa away the that board no ne de buy ne ko nyina o ye hwe so papa na o ni papa